We're basically just like going through my trash. Yes, I am still in my pajamas, okay? I'm filming this video at 9:30 in the morning. It's not time to get out of my pajamas yet, all right? Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Tilly. Hi, hello. About a year ago, I filmed a empties video and you guys ate that up. So guess what? We've got another empties no. We've got another empties video. Yippee! I have been collecting my empties for the last, honestly, like quite a few months. This is a collection of, I don't even know how many months, but a lot. And let me just say that if I finish a product, it means I love the product. I am very fortunate to receive a lot of products to try, and I love trying every single one. So when I pick a product that I finish, I am truly in love with that product, especially if I'm repurchasing it. And most of the things that I finished in here, I have repurchased, but I'll let you guys know what I repurchased and what I didn't repurchase. So I thought today we could just sit down and just go through my big bucket of empties. I don't know, sounds fun. Let's do it. Should we do it? Let's do it. Let me get comfy here. I'm gonna be here for a second. I'm just gonna put it like right here. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put it over here. And we're just gonna start with this. Hi. Wait, there's two of them in here. Like I said, this has been like a few months in the making. Like I've been collecting these things for a few months. So there might be some repeats in here. But first we have two repeats of the K18 Heat Bounce Heat Protectant for your hair, obviously. But I love this stuff. First of all, I love the fact that the packaging's pink. Second of all, I've seen a huge difference in my hair after using like a few products, and a lot of those products are in here because I've been using them a lot. And one of them is this. I feel like it really does protect my hair. Protects your hair up to 450 degrees, which is amazing. I use heat on my hair every single day and I refuse not to. I need heat protectant and I really like this one. Okay, next is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume and Texture Spray. I love texture spray more than I love anything. I think why do I keep saying texture weird? Texture spray is one of my favorite hair products. I feel like hair just like elevates so much when you add some texture spray, and this is one of my favorites. I keep this one in my bathroom. I did repurchase this for my bathroom because it's that good. I love this one. I like texture spray better than I like hairspray or dry shampoo or anything. I hate dry shampoo, actually, fun fact, which they have nothing to do with each other. But like, instead of spraying my hair with hairspray, I will spray my hair with this, and it just always adds such great volume and texture, and like it really adds the next little oomph to your hair that I feel like sometimes it just needs. So I love this. Next, let's do these two products. There's a hair that's disgusting. I talked about these, and I think in my October favorites on TikTok. No, November, I don't know. But guys, I repurchased, first of all, I've repurchased this. It's okay, let me tell you what it is first. These are the Jisoo Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy Hair Mask and Shampoo. I've repurchased this hair mask so many times already. Ever since I got it in PR, I have just been repurchasing it because it is good. And like, truly, I will run out of this and I will try to use a different hair mask, and I'm just like, it is not the same. It is not the same. It does not give my hair the same smoothness, shininess, softness. I love it, and I will continue to repurchase this. Again, same goes with the shampoo. They have a conditioner. I just personally like using a hair mask in the shower instead of conditioner, but I love this shampoo. I don't know, it just like makes my hair really soft as well, and it gets my hair really clean, and it smells really good. I did repurchase this. I do like it. Speaking of shampoo, I'm pretty sure I had this in my empties video from last year. This is the Yumika Big Hit Volumizing Shampoo, and yes, I have been using this ever since then. This is the best shampoo to volumize your hair. I don't think that was proper English, whatever. It just like, I don't know what it does. I don't know what the technology is behind this, but it instantly makes my hair have more volume. And I like, as a girly who has fine hair, my hair follicles are fine. I need all the volume help I can get, and this truly does it. And I don't even know how many times I've repurchased this. Well, obviously ever since like a year ago. Hello. Okay, next, these are the Medicube Zero Pore Pads. I truly do love these. I use these every single night. I wash my face, I double cleanse my face, and then I'll go in with this. As someone who's been struggling hard with acne, I've been really liking these as like an exfoliant and like help fight the acne. I don't know, I just really like them. I did repurchase them. I think that they always make my skin feel really clean, and I like that it's help fighting the acne a little bit, but it's not like too harsh. Speaking of like exfoliating pads, I have these. These are the Summer Fridays Gentle Reset Daily. Holy crap. Maybe this is maybe this is too early to be filming a YouTube video and having to talk because I am not making any sense at all. These are the Gentle Reset Daily Exfoliating Pads from Summer Fridays. They come in like a little package like this, and then they have like a little pad in there. I love these. I love how gentle they are. As someone who has really dry skin, I like to exfoliate because I will flake a lot. I also have really sensitive skin, so I can't exfoliate like too hard or too harshly because then my skin will burn. But these are like the perfect in between of like it's exfoliating but still gentle on my skin. Love them. And I have repurchased them. I have indeed. Okay, now I have 3 Rhode products. Just kidding. I have 4 Rhode products. The first, I'm not getting that. First 2 are the glazing mists. Don't mind the like temporary tattoos I put on them. They're kind of disgusting, but I went through both of these. This was the first one I ever got sent. It was a sample before it had launched, and then this is like the one that they sent me when it did launch, and I really liked these. I really enjoyed them. I didn't repurchase them because I don't like think I used facial mist enough to repurchase them, but I did really like them. I have one in my car as well that they sent me. I do like to use that when I'm like just needing a little refresh after a long day, or my skin is looking kind of dry or dull. I just like quickly spray that on my face. But I did really like these. I don't know, I'm not like I said, I'm not a huge like facial mist girl. I think some people are, and so they have more to say, but I did really like them. I went through them. So then we have these 2 products, and these 2 products I have been through before. I think this was in my other empties video as well. This is the Pineapple Refresh Cleanser. This is the best makeup remover facial cleanser. I use this and then my facial cleanser every single day. I love this stuff. It feels so good on the skin. It literally gets all the makeup off. I literally love it. I've repurchased this I don't even know how many times. And then we have the Barrier Butter. I love this. This is like the OG size. Like I said, very dry skin. I don't like to feel dry, and so I will lather this onto my face, and I love it so much. It's my favorite moisturizer. I use it every single day. I just adore it. It feels so good. It leaves such a beautiful glow on the skin too. I'll put a little bit on before makeup if you watch any of my Get Ready With Me's, and I just feel like it's like the most perfect base for the makeup. I don't know. I like how I went on that big rant about how I'm not a facial mist girly, but yet when it comes to this product, I will rant and rave about this so much, okay? This is the Iris and Romeo, the Reset Luminous Hyaluronic Serum Spray. Like I said, not a big facial mist girly. Not for me. This, however, is my favorite thing in the entire world. I went through this so fast. They were kind enough to send this to me, and I went through it so freaking fast. I will lather my face in this, like absolutely just like drench my face, and then when it dries down, it leaves the most beautiful glow ever. And I love doing this in between makeup steps. I love doing this before bed. I love doing this just during the day, in the morning. I don't know. I love this stuff. I love the way it looks on my skin, and it makes my skin feel. It feels hydrating. It gives just beautiful glow. It gives me like the glazed donut look. I love it. Oh, hi! We have another Jisoo Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy Mask. I told you this was a few months in the making, so. Another hair product I have is this Bondi Boost Heat Protectant. I've just had this forever, and I finally finished it. It's a good heat protectant. I love Bondi Boost. I like this one more, but it's good. I don't really have anything to say about it. I didn't repurchase it. I have 2 In Beauty Project products. I have talked about this multiple times on my TikTok. This is the Extreme Cream. I love this for before makeup. I actually didn't repurchase this, but they did send me another one, so I do have another one. I love that it's pink. It's super moisturizing. I think it's like perfect for a moisturizer under your makeup because it just like leaves, I'm gonna say it, such a beautiful glow, and makeup layers on top of it so well. I don't know, I really like it. It's plant-based. It's firming and lifting. It's everything a girl could dream of. And then the other one is this Elastic Skin Firming and Plumping Serum that they sent me. I did really like this. I didn't repurchase it because I'm 20, so I don't really know how much I need like firming and plumping, but I did really like it. I went through the whole thing. It felt really good. It looked really good. I didn't see a difference. But again, I'm 20. So, but I did really like it, but I didn't repurchase it. I have 2 Face Reality products. So when I started breaking out really bad, I went and started to see an esthetician, and I changed my skincare routine completely to a bunch of Face Reality products and a few other ones. And these were 2 that I loved that I went through really fast. First is the Hydro Remedy Gel Serum. I love this. I've repurchased it many a times. I love it. It literally like saves my dry skin. It just like seeps into the skin so well. And I was always looking for a product that was hydrating, moisturizing, that wasn't just gonna like sit on the top layer of my skin, which I feel like so many like hydrating products do, or like, I don't know. Do you guys know what I'm seeing? But this just like seeps right in. I will lather my skin in this because it feels so nice, and it will like cure and heal any dry spots. I love this. The next one is the 2.5% Advanced Acne Bed with benzoyl peroxide. I really like this. I think my acne is really stubborn, so I don't know. It's good. I did repurchase this hoping it would help. I'm going on Accutane, so that's my solution. But I did really like this, and I like that it fought my acne, but my acne is still here. Okay, now I have some makeup products. First is this Glossier Brow Boy Arch. I've gone through multiples of these. I have tried to love other eyebrow pencils like I love this one before. It's just not the same. I love the tip of this. It has like a flat edge. It has like a thin edge. I love the formula. I don't love how the packaging kind of rubs off and like gets all over my fingers. But I love the formula. It lasts all day. Super creamy, super easy to use. It lasts a really long time. Like the product itself, like there's a lot in here. She's great. I repurchased her. Next is the Lumi Glotion. I've repurchased this so many times. I think it's just like the most beautiful glow on the skin. I love mixing this like with my skin tints or my moisturizers. I just love it, and it's affordable, and it's so good. I use the shade Medium Glow. Speaking of glow, we got the Say Glowy Super Gel in the shade Warm Glow. This is my favorite shade of these. Didn't repurchase this, but they did send me another one. I love the Glowy Super Gels. I've been obsessed with them ever since they like launched them. I love the Rose Gold one. I love this shade. I love this shade so much. It's like the most perfect shade for like my skin tone. And I love to mix this with my bronzer drops, foundation, moisturizer, whatever, or just wear it on its own. It's great. Speaking of bronzer drop, let's talk about my Westman Atelier bronzer drops. These are the best bronzer drops on the freaking market, okay? Listen, they are. I've tried a lot. I don't self-tan my face. At least I try not to. Sometimes I do, but for the most part, I don't self-tan my face. And I always, in the summertime, wear a lot of sunscreen on my face, and so my face doesn't tan the same way my body does. And then in the winter, when I self-tan, I'm not self-tanning my face, so they look different. So I love me a bronzer drop. Love it. And this is the best one I've tried. I've tried so many, and either they look splotchy or orange, or they like peel, or they just look uneven and they're just bad. Not her. Not her. She's amazing. She looks amazing. She is very natural bronze, easy to work with. I love mixing her with like a skin tint. I think this is the second shade. It is kind of expensive, but it's worth it, trust me. I'm getting sleepy. Okay, we have 3 more products. Right, I've been using this forever. This also might have been in my last empties, maybe. I don't know. This is the Ardell Brow Glue Instant Lamination Lift. Another thing about me is I love my eyebrows. I love doing my eyebrows, so I've tried a lot of eyebrow gels. I also have loved the Soap Brow Laminated look ever since I was little, before it was like a trend. That's just how I've always done my eyebrows ever since I started doing makeup. And this is the best eyebrow gel I've ever tried. It doesn't get flaky, like those white, like flaky things. My eyebrows will not budge for the entirety of the day. It's affordable, it's easy to use. Everything about it is perfect, and I love it. And I will continue to repurchase this, and I will use this for the rest of my life. And I've put a lot of people on this, so basically, yeah. Then I have this freckle pen, which I use all the time. This is the Beeble and Rudy freckle pen. I love this stuff. I literally ran this dry. I used every ounce in this. I do fake freckles every single day. I love this pen specifically because it lasts so long. Like, I will still have my freckles on at the end of the day. I might not have anything else left on, but at the end of the day, I still got my freckles. And I just really like the tip of it too, because you're able to get like either small dots or large dots. It's like easy to use. It doesn't dry down for right away, but then when it does, it doesn't budge. And it's just really pretty. I like the color of it. It's great. I repurchased it. Last but not least, we have a Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in the shade Ribbon. I love the Peptide Lip Treatment, especially in the shade Ribbon. This is just me if I was a color. I love. I don't even know. Some people don't like them. I've only had like a few get grainy, but honestly, a lot of mine haven't. I don't know what y'all doing to your lip tints. Just kidding. But I love them. them. I love the sheer tint of them. I love the way they feel on my lips. I like that they hydrate my lips while also giving baddie, you know? I love them. I have every single color. But yeah, that was my trash. Thanks for sitting down and watching this and listening to me talk about all the products I went through. I love trying new products, so if I finish a product, it means I really like it. But yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hang out with us and be part of the Joan family. But yeah, I love you guys. Have an amazing day. Make someone smile. Bye.